car's door has probably received couple of hits recently, right? Well, here is a little guide. You can install car door dent protector. It helps protect the car from hits. Also, you do not have to lose the aesthetic of your car. Just install some fancy dent protector, and it will be exactly like factory made. Also, admit it, you have hit your garage door more times than you would like to admit. A cool noodle cut in half and taped to the wall, where the door swings open, is a simple solution. The scuff marks should make it easy enough to tell. You can secure it with bolts or simple command strips, but your car and wall will be safe in either way. Look out for the next car hack guide. It will help you if you have crack or chip in your windshield. Please subscribe to this channel and be notified when I upload it. Comment your experience with this car guide or any other one in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next Cars Hack video.